Okay guys, in this video I can remove the bass from the power amplifier. Let's try. See, it's very bassy. It's very bass. Okay, step 1, let's try turning the plug. The bass has decreased, but it's still there. Okay, see again. Turning the plug. Okay, step 2. Connect the CT cable to the variable resistor. Okay, now the buzzing sound is barely audible. Okay, and step 3, connect to audio input. Okay, minimize the volume. Is the mono power amplifier. Okay. And now no more buzzing sound. Okay, again we'll try to play music. The music. Okay, the music. Okay, and this is really clear. Okay, thanks to the watching my video. Okay, thanks to the watching my video to remove the bass from the power amplifier, and see you next time. It's so clear.